You're so mean. It's like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Huh? Oh. What are you doing? Oh, he got me. I got away. Uh-oh. What are you doing now? What are you hitting me for? What is wrong with you? Oh, my leg. Dylan, what are you doing? Huh? What? Where'd you go?
Here.
Huh.
I'm here. I'm here.
I can't see you.
I can't see you.
I can't see you either. There you are. I see you now.
No, that's it.
Huh? Oh. You're so tough. I got you now.
Got me now.
Uh-huh.
I got you now.
What are you going to do? What are you doing?
Like this?
Like that?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
There, Daddy.
Do what?
Do it with this.
Okay.
Do it.
Dylan?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Good, Daddy. Good, Daddy.